So we're going to walk in tour today here at the Bellagio. I'm dressed up because I just got off work, but I really wanted to tour this place because it's beautiful. So today we're going to be checking out the Bellagio. I like this wall here. Very cool. That stone. Nice touch. I never actually walked this way in the Bellagio before. It's very beautiful. It's just design is different from the casino floor, which you're so used to. There's a lot of design elements here. It's just like every detail. But just look at that floor dials. This is insanely beautiful. Even these chairs, really nicely done. I feel like I want to go outside and look. Let's see if this door actually opens. No. Right outside is the pool, and at night, it's really, really nice. How do I go out there? That's what I want to know. Or maybe you can see it from here. Huh? Look at that. Oh my goodness. Beautiful. Ooh, let's check out this gift store. They got a mix of stuff from Welcome to Las Vegas kind of stuff. That's kind of cool, actually. Yeah, I like that too. Maybe blue. I want blue Las Vegas, and the pink one. And of course, they got Raiders gears now. That's we're Raiders town, people. And of course, they got Bellagio gear as well. Wow, this store is beautiful. I don't even know what this is, but look at that ceiling design. It's like icicles hanging from above. All right, down this way is the conservatory. So I was walking from the spa tower direction. And the conservatory this time, oh my goodness, I have to say, this is probably one of my favorite displays I've ever had. If you're into old school 70s trippy Beatles vibe, it's kind of like that. Am I right? Oh my goodness. They outdone themselves. Amazing, huh?
Beautiful.
So beautiful. This one, though, takes the cake. I think honestly this one, my favorite one yet. My favorite one yet. Let's walk through then. I always love the Julie art display. I don't know if it's actually Julie or if it's just inspired by what he's done. But that's all glass up there, you all. Glass blown in the shape of gigantic flower petals. Gorgeous, am I not kidding? Oh my goodness. The reservation desk here is beautiful too. Gorgeous down here. And I love the fact that at the entrance to the Bellagio, there's usually a piano player down here, waxing the keyboard with his lovely melodies. All right, we'll cruise the casino floor a little bit. We'll go this way. I love the chandeliers, y'all. Those are nice. Nice touch. By the way, today's a Monday night, and I'm impressed by the number of people that are out here. They don't look like convention goers. That's what you usually see out here on a weekday. It looks like regular folk out here enjoying the nightlife. All right, it's pretty busy out here. I almost got it. Yeah, is it Monday? It is Monday. Is it a holiday that I don't know about? Why are kids out? Is this spring break? Maybe it's spring break. Yeah, I think it must be spring break. Otherwise, why would all these people be out here? I love the scenic decoration up here as well. What they've done with the flowing steel or bronze looking petals with the light shining behind it. Really nicely done. I'm gonna cut back through this way, casino floor. All right, busy out here. Now, I'm not sure if it's because it's spring break or Well, it's because Bellagio is so central to the strip that everyone just kind of works their way in, and eventually, boom, they end up in one of these machines. This is what usually happens. And they have all the new machines out here. These are the ones with the gigantic monitors. Or this one, multiple monitors. Fancy spin the wheel after you spin the wheel. I mean, look at, oh my goodness. These are the ones I really love, right? It's two people, you get to sit together, gamble together, eventually hate on each other when you all lose your money. Except for these two, they're in love. Aw, that's lovely. They're playing together. Oh yeah, that's a quick walking tour of the Bellagio today. It's packed out here. Vegas is hopping, y'all. Come out and enjoy the festivities.